How to scan on HP Envy 6120E. Step 1. Connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. Touch the menu button. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select Network. Select Wi-Fi. Tap Start next to Wi-Fi setup. Find your Wi-Fi network name. Hit Next. Tap in the password field. Use on-screen keyboard to enter your password. Press OK. Hit Submit. Check your information and hit OK. Now it's connecting to your network. Connection successful. Step 2. Install HP Smart application on your computer or smartphone from any application store. Then open the app. Click Yes if you see this window. Accept all terms and conditions or decline optional data. Click Set up a new printer. Allow precise location permission. Click Continue. Click Yes in this window. Make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. Once your printer appeared on the screen, click on its icon. Print driver successfully installed. Click Continue. Click on the profile icon at the top left. Sign in to your HP account or create one if you don't have. Once signed in, click the Scan tile. Ignore this window. Open the scanner lid and put the document you wish to scan facing down and heading to the left. Fit snugly with the borders of the scanning surface and close the lid. Adjust the scan settings on the right pane in the application and click Scan. Once you've got the result, you can click on the plus icon and add more pages to your scan. You can import files from your galleries or add photos from your camera. Use the application interface to reorder, edit, replace, or delete your pages. Once you're done scanning and editing, you can print, save, share, use shortcuts, or send fax with your document. Let's save the document for this example. Select File Type. PDF for documents is recommended format. Rename your file in this field. Select compression or save without compression. Hit Save. Then select your file location, let's say desktop, hit Save, and you're all set. In a similar way, you can use any third-party scan application with this printer. Thanks for watching.